Do you want to earn $1,000 a month from home, comfortably? Today, we're going to explore 5 simple steps that can help you start making money from home, starting now. 1. Use your skills to earn money online. Whether it's web design, writing, or data entry, there are thousands of freelance jobs waiting for you right now. 2. Sell your own products, or use dropshipping to run an online store through Facebook or Instagram. No need for inventory, just smart marketing. 3. Make videos for YouTube or write blog posts to earn through ads, sponsors, and more. Your creativity could turn into consistent income. 4. Share your skills by teaching subjects like languages, math, or music. Platforms like Udemy or Zoom make it easy to get started. 5. Create and sell ebooks, online courses, or design templates. Build it once and earn passively again and again. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe. Which step will you start with? Let us know in the comments below.